What's up, Better Days? We're back at Nice Mill Dam again, and I'm waiting for my buddies again. But today, we're gonna go upstream to the Thompson Lane trailhead and put in, and we're gonna come down to here. All right, this is the Stones River at Thompson Lane trailhead. This is the greenway and the trailhead hub right here where you can park your car. We got our kayaks. Me and Phil and Don Lottie fixing to go down this. Kind of looks a little crazy right now, but we're going down it. There we go. There's my first fish of the day. Yeah. Small dog. Not a qualifier though. What's up, buddy?
How's it going?
All right, you fishing for trout?
A little bit of everything.
Have you caught any trout?
Yeah, I have about a year.
Excellent. No, we haven't seen any trout yet. Just some smallmouth so far. I know. It's just ridiculous. I delivered pizzas here. Great tips. 7.5 years I delivered here. It was such a good job, man. I wouldn't give up on it. There's a lot of houses like this in the borough that people have no clue about. This is what the borough's, oh, there we go. I got another one. This is what the borough's really like. Another smallmouth. That's two. No, crank. I went to the same crank you got on. Yeah, this is my #1 lure of 2020. I caught more fish on this 4-foot diving crawl pattern crankbait than any other lure, except for worms, but that don't count. I got a third fish. Oh, it's a good fish. #3. Good fish. There we go. Oh man, that one Phil caught was ridiculous for this river. That was ridiculous. We're not gonna see. That's probably gonna be the big one of the day. This one though, look at the freaking belly on this thing. Yeah, it's trying to get big. It's drinking milk. He needs some milk. Oh gosh. I don't know about going through that. Maybe. I don't know if I'm going through that. Look over here. Look right here. Oh, maybe you can't. Look over here. Look over here. Look at right here. I think right down through here. Do you see? Yeah, you're fine. You're good. We got some whitewater today. There's fish in this. Yeah, but it came off. Oh, this is freaking awesome, dude. Oh my goodness, this is so much fun. There's sweepers all on the left. There's no elevation drop except for that low head dam. Got one. Rock bass. My first rock bass of the day. I just switched back to the rooster tail. And there we go. That is close to a trophy fish.
Is that number 4?
Yeah.
I don't think I'll get numbers.
Yeah, you will. This trip is a numbers trip. I don't have any way to measure him. Beautiful. There we go. What a fish. Golly, they're beautiful. We've had flooding here in our area for the last few weeks, and someone has an Air Jordan that they've lost right here in this tree. I'm gonna have to battle the spiders to get it. Oh, so many spiders.
Get away.
But dude, it's an Air Jordan. One Air Jordan's better than no Air Jordans.
Nah, that's not even a real J right there.
What are you talking about? It's got Michael Jordan on the side.
Those are jump mans. Those are worth nothing.
Jump man?
Yeah.
Oh. Poles down. Splash, splash, splash. This is awesome. Splash, 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 splash. Bam. Lots of rapids. Oh yeah. Nice. How is it? Robert, it do go down. There we go. Now I've got a good fish. No way. It's putting up a heck of a fight, a rock bass. 5. There we go. Fat. They're so fat. There we go. There's another little rock bass. Oh, he ain't so little. Oh my. Okay, next cast, number 7. Nice little pumpkin seed. No more spiders. I got them all. There we go, fish number 8. Number 8. Pumpkin seed. There we go. Here's a better one. Number 9. Yes. Fat rock bass. Oh my gosh, it's huge. Dude, I love golf. Oh my goodness. Daggum, that thing hit it like a daggum tank. Oh, 11, it hit the boat. Oh, that's a smalley right there, boys. It ain't as big as Phil's from this morning, but it's second biggest fish of the day. There we go. My goodness, that thing, it hit it like a ton of bricks, and it's got this huge fat belly. That thing surprised me. A little left of here. That's really bumpy. Right there may be better. It's really bumpy. That's the right line right there. Don Lottie got it right. I got it wrong. Right where he went is perfect. Yep, perfect. Whoa! Whoa! There we go. Man, it's about time. The last 4 fish I hooked all got off. Oh, and that one did too. So that's 5 that have got off. All right. Oh yeah. One of them hard hitting rock bass for lucky number 13. You know, we're not getting into the numbers of fish or the quality fish today. It's still a little early in the spring for this stretch of water. But man, that is beautiful. Wow, look at there. That's great. So that was an epic day. We had a great time. This is Nice Mill Dam. The water's still up. That's the highest the water's ever been when I've come down here to go on that trip. So some of that was kind of sketchy. Now, if you want to book this trip, hit me up on email. That's betterdaysfishing@gmail.com. Thanks for watching. You guys have a better day.